Here's my secret to moisturize lips during the winter months. Get ready to create Simply Earth's chocolate orange lip balm for an amazing, nourishing lip balm that smells amazing. Hey there, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today we're stirring up an amazing lip balm recipe that your lips will love. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to make natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also grab all these ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Store-bought lip balms often contain harsh chemicals we don't want on our skin. With this recipe, you can feel good about the lip balm that you are using. Plus, it's fun to make. So let's put away those distractions because making is healing. Let's make this chocolate orange lip balm together. From your box, you'll need half a teaspoon of cocoa butter. This is moisturizing for your skin. Half a teaspoon of beeswax. This creates a protective layer on your skin. Half a teaspoon of almond oil, which is nourishing for your skin. 3 drops blood orange essential oil, which promotes youthful skin. And 1 lip balm tube. First, using a double boiler or glass measuring cup in the microwave using short intervals, melt together the cocoa butter, beeswax, and almond oil. Next, once the mixture has just melted, remove it from the heat and stir. Add the essential oils and stir. Pour the mixture into the lip balm tube. If the balm solidifies as you pour it, gently reheat it to a pouring consistency. After pouring, allow the lip balm to cool completely. Remember to label your chocolate orange lip balm with our fun labels. Let's test it out. I love how smooth and soft this lip balm makes my lips feel. Plus the aroma is oh so good. If I can make this lip balm, you totally can too. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to Simply Earth Recipe Box. When you make this recipe, take a photo and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. If you like this video, be sure to check out these videos for more natural DIY products. You'll see them on the screen right after this.